Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's do edible glitter. To make our edible glitter, we need a non-stick pan, 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch, whatever you call it, a cup of water, and some gel paste, and a PVC cover. This is where we are going to be putting our paste to dry off. So the first thing we are going to be doing is pouring our water into our pan and then mixing it with our corn flour or cornstarch, whatever you call it, is still the same thing. Alright lovelies, if this is your first time of being on my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and press the subscribe button. We are all about cake decoration, wafer paper decoration, wafer paper flowers, and soon we shall be introducing cake pricing issues. There are a lot of issues concerning this cake pricing, so we are going to start treating that on our channel. So look below, press the subscribe button. Also do not forget to press the notification bell and share with your friends, like, drop a comment. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much. Okay, so you can see our custard is ready, because that's what it looks like, only that it's not yellow. Okay, so it's thick and ready to be used. So now we are going to be pouring it into 2 plates because I want to make 2 colors. I want to make a pale pink and green. So I've just divided it into my 2 plates and I'll be mixing my 2 colors, and then we shall be spreading it on our PVC sheet. Once you're done, leave it on your tabletop for 24 hours. I left mine to dry on my tabletop for 24 hours. So this is it after 24 hours. It is almost ready to be used, okay? We are soon going to be having our glitter on our hands right now. So all I'm just going to be doing is peeling it off my PVC sheet and then using my coffee grinder to blend it. So this is our finished product, okay? Let me start with my pink. So I must say here that my blender actually refused to blend it completely, so I had to put it into the oven to get it very extremely dry, and then I used my hands to just crush it, okay? And this is what we had. So this is our glitter, edible and ready to be used. This is our green. Oh, have you seen this kind of green in the market? Oh, I totally love it. I'm not buying edible glitter or glitter from any shop anymore. Each time I want it, I'll just do it the day before.